Now, what we'll do is once the watch list is made available, is created, then you have seen the white stocks, you have seen the narrow stocks. Now comes the action point. All right, now comes the action point. Now, to ensure that you are able to take the action point, what we have done is we are giving you facility to see the charts directly through NeoTrader. So as you can see here, there is a facility for you to see the stocks directly from NeoTrader. So I can just click on this stock here and I can see here that yes, this is available. So I can just enter my details, and what will happen is I will get the OTP, and once I get the OTP, I just have to feed in my details and I will be able to take a look at the charts, right? So that is the power of NeoTrader. So once I get to know that yes, my charting is made easy because we have integrated done charts in NeoTrader. So you can see here, we are ensuring that you are getting complete idea about what is happening. You can see here, this is how the charts get loaded, and you can see that my setup is available. So I click here. All right. So once I click it, then after that, it opens in a new tab. So now what I have with me here is the chart which I clicked, right? The chart is made available here, and here I can enable, disable whatever I want. So right now I am having the CPR. All right, I'm having the CPR, I'm having the camera. I can put whatever I want here as part of my study. So this is the tool here. So let me just hide this pivots for a while, and then we'll turn it on later. So let's just check out the CPR for the moment. Okay. Now you can see here that there are various kinds of CPR. So this is a wide CPR. This is a narrow CPR. So now if you can see here, this narrow CPR was the one which was here. You can see here, this was narrow CPR, and narrow CPR is what you are able to see as part of the Jubilant Food. So if you see here in Jubilant Food, you can see that this is the narrow CPR which is in progress. So that's how you can track the market, and that's how you will be able to concentrate your focus and your attention on which stocks are moving. So let's again come back to the next page here, and you can see here that's how the charts are loaded. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to show you how you can quickly track the stocks that are moving.